Finding good royalty-free music for your creative work has always been challenging, but in 2023, for every challenge, there's an AI-based solution. So Beatoven.ai is a website or a web tool that creates automated music, like AI-generated music, to fit your work, which is completely royalty-free, so you won't even get any copyright issues. So I thought it sounds pretty interesting. Let's take a look. It's a pretty simple experience, really. You go to their website and create an account. It asks you for your profession. I'll click YouTube creator. It asks you for your industry. I guess I'm in media. 1 to 5 members, active channel. Yeah, you just mention your social media URL just so that it knows kind of what it's working with. And there we go. That's our project screen. Let's create a new track, shall we? Let's name it something. So you can create up to maximum of 15 minutes. So if you have like a 15-minute video, you can create a background music for that. It even gives you genres. I usually go for cinematic or hip hop modes. You can kind of hover your mouse over it and it'll play a short clip to tell you what kind of music you can expect. Hip hop sounds decent. Let's select hip hop. So it now asks you for a mood. I usually go for a lo-fi mood, a chill, relaxing mood. So I'll click that. So it seems like it's composing a track. Let's wait. Okay, there we go. We now have a pretty basic looking timeline with a track. It seems to be out of sync from time to time. I don't really like it. I mean, I'm not sure what I was expecting with an AI-based music composer, but it's not very good, at least now. Let me change a few things. You know what? R&B sounds better than hip-hop. I'll select that and I guess compose track. Let's wait for it to do those changes. That's a little bit better, I guess, but I don't like those drum sound effects. You can click on any of these instruments to remove them from the track. So that's nice. I'll disable the percussion and see what happens. You know what? Let's give it a small video file to create some music along with it. I'll give an A-roll that I recorded for a short. It's a pretty old video just for testing this. Upload speeds are not great. So that took a long time. It took over 10-15 minutes to upload. Anyway, it's here. Now let's see how it sounds. It sounds too fast, the tempo is a bit too fast for me. I usually like a slow, relaxed beat. So let me change the tempo real quick from medium to slow and see what happens. Now let's hear it. That is much better. Now if I want to download this, I can download the audio track. I can either go for a WAV format, which is a pretty high quality lossless format, or an MP3. You only get up to 15 minutes per month, which is not that much, but I guess if you only use it for short videos, we can kind of get away with 15 short videos. So I think that's good enough. So you can just download it like a normal file. Overall, it's not bad, but yeah, it's definitely not anything amazing. I saw that it potentially gives you incredible results. Now, AI still can't really replace a human music composer, but it is royalty free. All you have to do is just give credit to these people and that's it. You can just mention them in your description and you can use it without any copyright issues. At least that's what you have to do with the basic plan, which is free. If you go for a paid plan with X amount of users, you'll be charged per month and you don't have to give any attribution. You don't have to give credit to these people. You can directly use it and not have anything in your description and be completely fine with copyright. I think it's worth checking out. You can get started for free the way I did. So go ahead, take a look. I'll link it in the description.